Hey guys, today we are making thick bleach. So the ingredients: 4 liter sodium chloride, 1.8 liter slace, and 100 milliliter caustic, and 20 liters of water. So let's start mixing. We put our sodium chloride. This bucket is 2 liters. And then another 2 liters. It's 4 liter, guys. And our slace. And then we start to mix it together. Mix it together. And then our caustic. And then our caustic, guys, we put bit by bit. So now we put our water. And then mix it together. Mixing. We are mixing. So guys, the foam must disappear. Then you will know that your thick bleach is ready to be used. The foam is disappearing. So yeah guys, yes, our thick bleach, the foam is disappeared. Can you see that? Thick and shiny. Yes guys, yes, our thick bleach.
It's ready now.
Yes guys, yes, our thick bleach. Yes, our thick bleach, guys, ready to be used.